Science project: soluble and insoluble solids. Sol- so over here you can see is a picture of a solvent and a solute. So let's study the definition of them. A solution is a mixture where solute and solvent combines with each other. Solvent, in which we mix the things to test. Solute. A solute is a substance that can be dissolved by a solvent to create a solution. So you can see, if we combine a solvent with a solution, it makes sorry, if we combine a solvent with a solute, it turns into a solution if we stir it. As well as there are some things which doesn't stir with water. So over here is the definition of insoluble and soluble. So what is insoluble? Impossible to dissolve. Soluble of a substance able to be dissolved, especially in water. When we put a solute in a solution, its parts or molecules, whatever solute you select, spread all over the glass. But when we stir it, it disappears as it is mixed with the water or any other solvent. For example, solvent is water, and for example, if the solute is sugar. If we mix it without stirring, all the sugar would be at the bottom of the jar or glass if we see it. After stirring, when we taste it, the water the water would be really sweet as the sugar disappeared and mixed with water. So again over here you can see the picture of a solution in which the yellow parts are the solute and the blue one is water, which is the solvent. And over here it's an example that right now yellow one is a you can understand. It's just for understanding that the yellow one is sugar and the water is solvent, and right now it's not mixed. Instead of sugar, if we put sand as a solute, it wouldn't mix, as sand is an insoluble can't be dissolved material, as it's having some small tiny solid rocks, but it dissolved but it dissolves. Let's see how. By filtering them or by sieving. We can filter the sand with the filter paper, or we can sieve the sand by the sievings. Thanks for giving your time to me. Have a good day. Bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. And I hope so that right now your concept of soluble and insoluble solids is cleared and you don't have any doubts. But if you are having it, send me on the email address. Just go in the about option and my email address is just right there. Just email me over there or write it in the comments. I would be waiting, and I would be really excited to answer your queries. And again, if you have any questions, then as I told you, email me on the email address, on the specific email address, or on the comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye.